You have a data frame called schedules that represents the daily schedule of each student in a school. For example, if Ryan attends 4 classes, math, English, history, and chemistry, your schedules data frame will have 4 rows for Ryan in the order he attends each class. You have this idea that the sequence of class-to-class transitions affects students' grades. For instance, you suspect that Ryan would do better in his chemistry class if it immediately followed his math class instead of his history class. Determine the average and median chemistry grade for groups of students based on the class they have immediately prior to chemistry. Also, report how many students fall into each group. Here's the solution I came up with. Let's break it down. The first thing I do is insert a new column into schedules called Prev Class that tells the previous class for each student. The trick here is to group by student ID and then use transform with the series shift method so that for each student ID, the class series shifts forward 1 period. Then I group by class in Prev Class and aggregate taking the count of student IDs, average grade, and median grade. And lastly, I use the .xs method with key equals chemistry, axis equals 0, and level equals 1 to pick out class pairs that end with chemistry, and then I chain that with sort values med grade to make the output a little more insightful.